Okay, here are the 12 bows that I've pre-tillered, kind of, a little better than floor tillered, and I've strung them. They all pull about 30 pounds or so, plus or minus, at about 26 inches. Long bow, kind of English D bows, but with a handle that pretty much doesn't bend. And before we talk about how they're not exactly perfectly tillered and all that happy stuff, I just want everybody to know that the Scouts are going to do the final tillering with cabinet scrapers and a tillering stick. And then they're going to finish the handles, because these handles are just squared up, and that's all they are. These are all made from jatoba. Some people call it Brazilian cherry. And they have a white oak backing. And I just did that because I like the contrast in the color. And I think it'll make a pretty bow that the Boy Scouts can be proud of. So they're going to finish them up, wrap the handles with cord, leave them wood, finish them up, decorate them the way they want. I have some stamps with different animal tracks on them, so they can decorate the white oak. And I've got some leather if some people want to wrap a leather handle around and lace it up, or just wrap one. Here's the Inspector General. You can tell. I don't know why she just hates me like that, but anyhow. That's my buddy. So anyway, next weekend I'll be taking these up to Squim, and that's in Washington State, and Scouts and the leaders and some friends are going to finish them up, and I'll try to post some videos of the finished product, and maybe even the guys having fun. Thanks.